You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to move photos from the Files app into your iPhone's Photos app. Open the Files app, navigate to the folder where your photos are saved, like iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Tap Select in the top right corner. Tap each photo you want to move or tap Select All. Tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the share sheet and tap Save Image. If you selected multiple photos, tap Save Images. The photos will be copied directly into your Photos app's Recents album. You can also use a different method. In the Files app, press and hold on a photo file. From the menu, select Share, then Save Image. To move an entire folder of photos, you must select all the photos inside the folder individually, as there is no bulk save folder option. After saving, you can delete the original files from the Files app to free up space. Just go back to the Files app, select the photos, and tap the trash icon. Remember, this process creates a copy. In Photos, it does not move the file, so you will have two copies until you delete the originals from Files. For more simple iPhone file management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.